Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. The last trigonometry classes we have taken the fundamental calculations, side angles calculation over. Today class we need to cover some basic model problems with respect to trigonometry. The different sides mentioned, other sides how to calculate. They mention trigonometry component in one component, other component how need to calculate it is. Let us we need to see the problem so you can understand. The first question is, from the figure calculate first question sin A and cos A. In this first bit, second bit, this is going to be sin A and cos A. First bit. Second bit is tan C and cot C. This is the calculation. What is the question means? The question is this one. The figure I told you now. This is the figure A and B. This is the information they mentioned. So the following figure, calculate sin A and cos A, tan C and cot C. They need to calculate this. So question number 1 it is solution. First bit they are asking sin A and cos A. The moment sin A and cos A they are asking, the simple thing is please take your question A, B, C. What are the dimension? This is a 3, this is a 4. So when where they are asking your angle sin A they are asking. So where they are asking that you can take a theta. The theta opposite side, you can write opposite side. This is a 90 degrees triangle. So 90 is opposite is hypotenuse. The B side is adjacent. This will be decided. So what you want to do here? Sin A means opposite by hypotenuse. But hypotenuse value you don't know. Apply Pythagoras. Apply Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. What is the hypotenuse square? AC square is equal to, from this side, right? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square you want. So AC square equal to AB square means 4 square. So 3 square plus 4 square. It is 9 plus 16. AC square. So AC is equal to under root 25. It becomes 5. So AC equal to 5. So third side also we calculated hypotenuse equal to 5. After finding of this calculation, we need to go and substitute this. Now we got all values. Now let us make a triangle for your own content, clear vision. 90, A, B, C. The values you write 3, 4, 5. Let us this is a theta. So angle A means this will indicate this theta. Clear? Now let us write sine. First question sin A. What is the sin A? Opposite by adjacent. What is the opposite? Sorry, opposite by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent? Opposite here 4 by hypotenuse 5. First question over. Second thing is in this cos A. Cos A means adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent here? 3. Hypotenuse means 5. So 3 by 5. So this is the question is over. Second bit they are asking tan C and cot C. So solution to second question. Tan C and cot C. The moment they are asking C, please draw the diagram given question. So 3, 4, A, B, C. This is already 90 degrees, it's fixed. Now after asking tan C, means your acute angle at C. So this is you can write theta. So theta this is opposite side. This is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. Same this longest side we can calculate. Same for Pythagoras theorem. We can write directly it is 5. The value of hypotenuse is, we can write directly 5. So now we can write tan C. Tan C is equal to what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is what? 3 by 4. If you wanted to write cot C also. Cot C means what? Adjacent by opposite. 4 by 3. If you want to side C, cot C also extra. Similarly, if you want to write down extra. Sin C. Sin C means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. 3 by 5. Cos C means what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. 4 by 5. Clear? What write down? Cosecant C also is write down. Cosecant C is equal to inverse of sin C. 5 8. Secant C is equal to reverse of cos C. 5 by 4. This is the way you can write down. So if they mention two sides, other side you can find out by using of this Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem helping to find out in the right angle triangle any two sides dimension, other side you can find out easily. That is the easiest question. So here C or A, whatever they are asking in terms, that side is make a acute angle. That acute angle opposite will decide opposite or adjacent side. With that only information, this will be fixed. Then start working over here. This is what a model 1 problem in the trigonometry basically they are asking. I hope very clear it is. Now I switch out to the second method's problems. So second problem is very simple. The second problem is out of trigonometric angles, out of the trigonometric 6 parameters, sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, secant A, cot A, out of 6, they will mention one other thing you need to calculate. Here is the first problem. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Find cos A, tan A, cot A, cosecant A, secant A. This is a question they are asking. Find these things. So how to find, if they mention one thing is other thing, how to find it means, really let us simple, you can do it. So sin A is equal to solution 3 by 5. But what actually sin theta is equal to? Opposite by hypotenuse. So please make whatever item, please draw a triangle. For drawing a triangle, let us are writing ABC. So here sin A you write it. Please make a theta here. This is 90 fix. With this you can write it down. So theta fix means this is called hypotenuse. So theta means this is opposite. This is hypotenuse. This is adjacent. After this, please substitute your values. So opposite means 3, hypotenuse means 5. So opposite means 3, this is distance is 3, hypotenuse is 5. This value you don't know, this is a question mark. So same apply Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. From Pythagoras theorem, same duty how to do it. What else how to do it? Same thing, AB square AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to 5 square, AB square equal to question mark AB square, BC square is 3 square. So AB square equal to 5 square, 25 square, 939 will come. So AB square equal to 16, AB equal to root 16, it becomes 4. So this question mark we got the answer is 4. Question mark distance is 4. So 4 you can write from here. When sin A you got, then after that all things, 3 components you got. It is now you can write any kind of the things. So let us write down your answers. Cos A is equal to, what is the cos A? Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? 4. By hypotenuse is what? 5. So 4 by 5. Next tan A is equal to same opposite by adjacent 3 by 4. So cot A is equal to adjacent by opposite 4 by 3. Then the cosecant A is equal to reverse of sin A. We can write 5 by 3. Nothing but hypotenuse by opposite. So secant A is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse means what? Adjacent close. So this is the way of writing. They mentioned sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Or question other way also asks question. On question will be like this also. 5 times of sin A is equal to 3. This is also correct. Both questions will same. Same answer, same you can do it. So like this also they mentioned, so sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Then applying this using Pythagoras theorem, other side you can find out, you can do it. Either they mention sin A, either they mention cos A, tan A, out of 6, any one they mention, please write down the formula. According to this, fix this position. Other side you find out. Once you find 3 sides, then after that corresponding your A or B or C, at what angle you are going to find out, fix theta, at opposite acute angle opposite, other 3 fix, then find out all components. This is the way you have to do these questions. And after that, some of the important, what can I say, trigonometric relations we are having. In any case, trigonometric relations we are having. That relation is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Always sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second thing is 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, secant square theta. This is a 1. This some people are writing, it is very clear. Secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Such a also is an item. Third important relation, 1 plus cot square A is equal to secant square A. This is also a relation, unique relations. This one. This you can write clearly. Secant square A means this you put like this, cot square A is equal to 1. This is the relation when we can use doing the problem. This is the relation of secant number. इसका trigonometric identities you can write. Trigonometry identities. These 3 you can use. I hope very clear it is. This is the problems fundamental foundation required to do your problems. Thanks for watching. Keep continue for next videos, next class.